Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use Trello for project management. Open your Trello and start by creating a board. You can create it from scratch. We will use a template here. Go to Explore Templates and you can simply select the project management category. You can use any of these templates as they are specifically designed for product management. Select a template of your liking and click on Use Template. Give it a title, check the properties, and click on Create. Your board will be created. You can simply add your tasks by adding a card. You can change the title of your list so that it resonates with you. If you don't like the view, you can change it simply by clicking on Tables. You can customize it too. You can change the card location just by choosing a list. You can use labels, even edit them. You can add members. You can add due dates in order to remind you of your deadline. And that is how you can manage your project in Trello. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.